kamuting kahoy in Tagalog call it malinghoy in our province Bicol. Kasaba in English. So what we gonna do? Just gonna cut this up. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world. So for now, I'm just gonna make a very simple recipe of Bicolanos. We used to eat this in the morning as breakfast or merienda or snacks. So here we go. Of course, we're gonna use Salad Master cookware. This is 3 quarts. Nice, shiny, and clean. The ingredients: pangsabaw, coconut milk or coconut cream, and we have here hulaan nyo. Try a guess, guys, what we have here. Balinghoy or kamuting kahoy in Tagalog. We call it balinghoy in our province Bicol. Kasaba in English. So what we gonna do, we just gonna cut this half-half. Yes, do that. Easy peasy. So this is frozen, guys. Frozen, fresh frozen, but frozen already. So we just gonna cut like this, guys. And cut more. Yan. So ganyan lang. Easy peasy, guys. We have to cut it half, so so it's not ginataan. This is pinakro, or you can call it ginataan. It's not bilo-bilo kasi it's only kamuting kahoy, or in Bisaya balanghoy. So it's been long time, guys. I haven't eat this pinakro. We always do bilo-bilo. So but now I wanna eat it. This is remind me my province in Bicol. Ayan. We're gonna cook this for 10 to 15 minutes, guys. So, add a coconut milk. That's it. Because I don't want a lot of coconut milk on it. And we're gonna add pinch of salt. 1, 2, 3. That's it, guys. So you don't have to add any more, anything. Cook it in medium heat. Yeah, medium heat, guys, for 10 to 15 minutes. So we just gonna wait for that until it's cooked, and then we can eat the dinner. I don't have any meal yet, so this is my 1 meal a day. So when it's click, I have to turn it to low. That's the way how we cook healthy cooking in Salad Master. So it's clicking now, guys, for a few seconds. So we have to turn it to low heat. We're gonna turn to number 2 only, low heat. So we don't have to open that. We're gonna open that after it's cooked. Another 5 minutes, guys, and it's gonna be cooked. So until now, it's keep clicking, guys. It means it's cooked already. When it's keep clicking, doesn't stop, it means cooked. So I'm not gonna check it now. I'm gonna turn it off. So let's check it out. Taran! Oh my God! I'm gonna focus the camera, guys, so you can see guys. It's so yummy. Look, see the liputok of coconut milk. It's in there, and it's cooked already. It's soft. What we gonna do? We gonna get also the coconut milk, the liquid. So this is our pinakro. We call it pinakrong Bicol. This is how we cook our cassava. We cook it in a coconut milk. Diba guys, oh? Oh, sarap niya, no? Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Yan, oh. Diba? So, for sure, marami akong makakain nito, guys. Ito na yung pinakang dinner ko. At may carbs din ito. At maganda to sa katawan. This is healthier than rice. At if we want also a sweetener, we can add brown sugar or honey. So I always use honey, so I'm gonna add some honey on it. We're gonna add a little bit sabaw. Ayan, para masarap, di ba? So takpan na natin ito. At yan, lalagyan natin yan ng honey. This is our raw honey, organic honey, unpasteurized. We just gonna get a little bit, not much. Yan. Para medyo may matamis-tamis. Or, usually we don't add sugar, guys. It's just I feel like eating a little bit sweet. So, that's why I add honey to make it more delicious. Guys, ito na ang ating pinakro na nilagyan ko ng konting honey. So, easy cooking. Walang masyadong lahok-lahok. Kasi, para ka lang nagmerienda pag ito ang pagkain mo. Sarap. So, if you want a boiled cassava, and you want it very delicious, tasty, so yummy, put coconut milk and salt. Para ka na rin kumain ng ginataan. Ayan. Hinalo ko guys yung sabaw para maging malapot. So ngayon, malapot na siya. Malapot na malapot na. At nadurog-durog ang ating kamuting kahoy or balinghoy o balanghoy in Bisaya. Oh. Grabe sarap guys. Super. Diba? Yung sabaw na wala, oh, iminix ko kasi siya. At hindi siya masyadong matamis kasi nga kunting honey lang ang nilagay ko, kalahating kutsara. Sarap. Guys, let's eat. Lutong salad master. Grabe, sarap guys. Bye-bye! Kasi i-enjoy ko yung aking kinakain na kamuting kahoy. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it.